The Galaxy Watch 6 series is thus anticipated to include a return of two essential design aspects from Samsung. The rotating bezel that Samsung removed off the Watch 5 Pro last year for some reason is the second option, while the first has a curved display design with minimum bezels similar to the Watch Active 2. Now that Leaks has shared the first image of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which does in fact have rotating bezels, he can confirm that the rumors are accurate. As you are well aware, these renderings are based on the official CAD schematic and so accurately depict how the Watch 6 Classic would seem. As you can see, it resembles the Watch 4 Classic almost exactly, even down to the width of the bezel and the frame's design. The spinning bezel itself has not changed, just the design has. The Watch 4 Classic is less similar to it and more similar to the Watch 5 Pro. Everything else, though, seems to be the same apart from that. Does it imply that rumors that we will get this time around slimmer bezels were untrue? Well, not exactly, since Ice Universe noted that just the standard Watch 6 will have slimmer bezels. The thick bezels seem to be here to stay, at least on the Classic model, since he made no mention of them in relation to the Classic. Users who desire the functionality must make a trade-off since the process prevents them from using slimmer bezels. Similar to the Watch 5 Pro, this modification also has a magnetic clasp. Buckle clasp was included on the Watch 4 Classic. The Watch 6 lineup's features include a constant check for arterial fibrillation, which essentially identifies abnormal heartbeats and may even save lives. The features are included in the watch models 4 and 5, however they need manual operation. Here, it happens automatically. The Watch 6's ability to identify a fib automatically will be a game changer and save lives, especially given that the condition has no symptoms. The Watch 5 Pro's chipset has been replaced with a new 5nm one that is 10% quicker. Both a larger battery size and a more effective CPU are included for longer battery life. In addition, the resolution and screen size have also been raised. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.